Good morning to all. Today I am going to solve the exercise 15A question number 3. A diagram is given to us. P is a point on the side BC of parallelogram ABCD if DP produced needs AB produced at point L. Prove that DP ratio PL is equal to DC ratio BL. So since AD is parallel to BC, so AD is parallel to BP. So AD is parallel to BP. So you can use here BPT theorem, use BPT theorem. BPT means basic proportionality theorem. We get DP is over PL is equal to AB over BL. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, so it means AB is equal to CD. So in place of AB you write CD. DP over PL is equal to CD over BL. This we have to be proved. Cross multiply it, or otherwise you can leave it in this way. This is your answer. Now in the given triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to twice of angle ACB and bisector of angle ABC meet the opposite side at CB ratio BA is equal to CP ratio BA. So consider that this will be angle X and this is the double of this, meaning this is also X. So in triangle ABC, angle ABC is double of the angle ACB. This is given to us. So since angle ACB is X, so it means angle ABC is considered 2X. So BP is the bisector of, because BP is the bisector of angle ABC. So ABBP, angle ABP is equal to angle PBC is also X. So using bisector theorem, that is the bisector of an angle divide the side opposite to it in the ratio of other two sides. CB ratio BA is equal to CP ratio PA. Now question number 6 is there. In triangle ABC, BM perpendicular AC, CN perpendicular AB. Show that AB over AC is equal to BM over CN is equal to AM over AN. So first of all choose the triangle from triangle ABM and triangle ACN. Angle AMB is equal to triangle ANC because each is 90 degree. So angle BAM is equal to angle CAN. Each are common angles. So when two angles of a triangle are equal, it means triangles are similar. Triangle ABM is similar to triangle ACN. Using angle criteria. So when two triangles are similar, it means the corresponding sides of the triangles are in equal ratio. Mean AB over AC is equal to BM over CN is equal to AM over AN, which we have to be. In the given figure, DE is parallel to BC, AE is equal to 15 centimeter, EC is equal to 9 centimeter, NC 6 centimeter, and BN is 24 centimeter. Write all possible pairs of similar triangles. So first of all, question number, this is the 7. First part is this. In triangle AME and triangle ANC, angle AME is equal to angle ANC. ANC because DE is parallel to BC. When parallel to BC, so is that ME is also parallel to NC. Next is angle MAE is equal to angle NAC. NAC. It is a common angle. This angle is the NAC MAE. So same criteria, triangle AME is similar to triangle ANC. In the same way, you can prove the other two triangles are similar. Similarly, triangle ADM is similar to triangle ABN, and triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So in this way, these two pairs are also can be proved on taking the same reason. In its second part, we have to find the length of ME and DM using the same criteria. When you prove that two triangles are similar, AME and ANC, then its corresponding sides ratio is equal, and also same way in triangle ADE and triangle AME, ABN, you can also find by the similarity, you can find the value of the DM. In the figure, PQRS is a parallelogram with PQ is equal to 16 centimeter, QR is 10 centimeter, L is a point on PR, such that RL ratio LP is equal to 2:3. QL produced meets RS at M and PS produced at N. Find the length of PN and RM. So same way, taking the triangle RLQ and triangle PLN, angle RLQ is equal to angle PLN. They are both vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Then angle LRQ is equal to angle LPN. This is alternative angle. Alternative angle. How we will read? Angle RLQ. RLQ. In this way you will read. Is equal to angle PLN. Angle PLN. These both are vertical to each other. Alternative angle LRQ. LRQ is equal to angle this one. These are both alternative angles because QR is parallel to PS. So using AA criteria, mean angle criteria, or similarity, you can write anything. Triangle RLQ is similar to triangle PLN. When two triangles are equal, their corresponding ratios are divided in equal ratio. RQ over Pn. Fill the values. 2 over 3 is equal to 10 over Pn. From here you can find the value of the Pn. Pn is equal to 15 centimeter. So now choose the triangle RLM. In triangle RLM and triangle PLQ, angle RLM is equal to angle PLQ, angle LRM is equal to angle LPQ. Same region of the similarity. These both regions are similar to here. So from AA similarity, two triangles are similar to each other. Similarity, triangle RLM is similar to triangle PLQ. So when two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides ratio is equal. RM over PQ is equal to RL over LP. Then fill the value. RN PQ is 60, the ratio is 2:3. Then RM is equal to 32 over 3 centimeter. One answer is this one. So solve the other questions of this exercise yourself. If there is any problem, you can contact me. Next exercise video I will send you tomorrow.